all Russian words like машина, гитара, компьютер, авокадо, радио, кофе belong to one of three gender categories. These three categories are masculine, он, he, feminine, она, she, and neuter. For example, радио, оно. If you know about gender from studying French and German, you will be glad to know that the gender of Russian nouns is much easier to learn, since you can nearly always tell the gender from the ending. Masculine nouns end with consonant or y. For example, телефон, телефон. Чай, чай. Feminine nouns normally end with a or ya. For example, Москва, Москва. Россия, Россия. Neuter nouns end with o or ye. For example, море, радио. So you can normally tell the gender of a noun just by looking at the word. However, you should keep in mind that words which denote males are always masculine, no matter what the ending is. For example, дедушка, дедушка. And words denoting females are feminine, whatever their ending. Lady, Margaret. Most nouns ending with soft sign are feminine. Think of the word дверь, дверь. But there are many masculine nouns too. For example, рубль. Let's define the gender of some Russian words. For example, информация, информация. Yes, it's feminine. Театр, театр. What about this one? Театр. Yes, it's masculine. Микрофон, микрофон, микрофон. Masculine. Лампа, лампа, лампа. Feminine. Окно, окно, окно. Neuter. Компьютер, компьютер. Masculine. Камера, камера, камера. Камера. Feminine. Кино, кино, кино. Neuter. Трамвай, 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 трамвай. Yes, masculine. And the last one, бизе, бизе, бизе. Right, neuter.